What's the word, YouTube? Mr. Boy Tariq, and in today's video we have 20 girls versus
the Farrar twins.
Boyfriends, Kenny and Benny.
Don't freak out, Ed.
Okay, so here's how we met.
Man, what y'all be doing, man?
Man, we be acting, we modeling, we do content, man. Yeah, we do. You already said that.
Anyways, man, y'all ready for these 20 girls?
Yeah, we ready for them. Let's get it.
Let's get straight to the good, man. Don't talk.
So, my name is Brown Sugar. I'm an upcoming model. I'm a public safety officer. And I'm a T-Blank tech, and I got a thing for thing too.
You got a thing for thing too?
Yeah, that's Jeremiah. That's just.
See, she said
that
before you said the wrong name.
She said the wrong name.
My name is Jeremy.
Jeremy. Okay.
Yeah. It was close enough. It was close enough.
Let me get out of it because she don't want me around.
Hey.
It's
cool. Yeah, she still looking smooth in the orange.
Okay, I'll turn back around.
Turn back around. Yeah. It's like I like that. I like that gray though. Can we get a 360? We gonna keep that. You wanna keep that?
You want it? You can keep it.
We can keep that. We gonna keep that.
Thank you.
It was a yes, my boy?
It was a yeah.
All right. Who she want?
She wanted me, but you know that's the only reason I said yes because he wanted her. Damn, we got two walking up.
Y'all twins? No, just
Y'all ain't twins?
No.
y'all come together.
Y'all come together though?
We'll package it up. So you get one, you get the other.
Oh, okay. All right. What's y'all name?
I'm Moneybag. My name Cardi Wilson.
All right. Let me ask one.
Go ahead. You doing now? Go ahead.
Do your thing.
All right, tap in. We finally made an Instagram page. Tap in with the Car Connect. This is just a little profit today. Few keys, just so you know it's real. Hey, and if you're looking to flip cars, we finally made an ebook. You can tap in with, 9 to 5 flipping cars. And we also got another website. It's 6 Figures Flipping Cars. Again, got another key. We keys on top of keys. Again, tap in. I got you. I'm gonna show you how to flip. Might get something like this.
We gotta see both of y'all turn around real quick though. If y'all gonna turn around, stop right there. Let's check some shit.
Okay. Are we keeping it?
We keeping that. 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 We keeping y'all. Y'all go ahead. We keeping y'all.
What just happened?
You missed it. He missed it. He missed it. he mad at me.
What's crazy?
What's good with you? How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Why you cheesy?
You been laughing already.
Oh no.
What's your name?
Cash. Let me read it. Cash. I'm a model.
You so goofy. You cheesy.
Oh no. I keep smelling this hard bit.
I like this.
Ask y'all questions?
Go. All right, come on. You ask us something. What you want to
I
ask?
want y'all to ask me some questions.
Now, this is the first round, y'all. Yes or no off appearance?
Yeah, it's. I like the smile. She cheesy. We gonna keep it. We gonna keep it.
All right. Next up.
Hi, how y'all doing?
What's up? What's your name?
Alexis.
Alexis.
Yeah.
You look good, Alexis.
I appreciate you.
You came off of us? You came off
one
of
of
us?
us or both of us?
The both.
You came off of both?
Oh, that's all we need to hear.
We keeping them. We keeping them.
Which one of y'all on that?
Both of us?
Same time?
Same time. How you doing? What's your name?
I'm Shay.
How you doing, Shay?
But what? They call you what? What you gonna say?
No, I was gonna say my real name is Shayna, but you can call me Shay.
We call you Shay. Why you come out here today?
Why I come out? Because I've been following y'all for like years. And I just want to.
And you fuck with both of us? You fuck with both of us?
Would I?
You fuck with both of us.
All right, my boy. Yes or no, man?
We gonna keep it. We gonna keep it.
All right. Next female, start walking.
Hi,
How you doing?
Marisha. You can follow me on Instagram at Marisha Rose Gold and YouTube, Stevie McFamily.
She got straight to it.
What do y'all like to do for fun?
Everything. We some fun twins. We gonna keep you though. We gonna keep you. You ain't gotta say too much. We gonna keep you. How you doing? What's up? What's up? You ain't gotta say nothing. You ain't gotta say nothing. Go ahead. You go. We keep you. No, I was just. I never. That's what I was gonna say. I mean, we got more rounds. Okay, I get that. We got more. We still gotta see something real quick. One more time. Damn. Russian. Yeah. We gonna keep you. No.
Next.
No. It's a no.
All right, so we had a round 2 now, y'all. So they're gonna ask y'all a question, and they could say yes or no. It's their turn.
All right, this a bit.
All right.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
We all right.
Okay, what do y'all do to express yourself?
I draw. We draw. Yeah, we like drawing and stuff. Everything for real, yeah. But we like drawing anime. Yeah.
Okay. I answer my question?
No, yes or no based on the answer.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
When y'all come up, please step straight up to the line, please.
So, besides everything that y'all already known for, where do you see yourself? Well, what do you see yourself doing more than just what you're doing? Are you already comfortable with it?
We should just see ourselves getting better and better. We like drawing, so we want to initially come out with like a comic book. We like drawing, so.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
Being a great dad and just elevating, you know. You can't determine the future. You just gotta follow the path. Yeah, deal with the now and follow it. You know what I'm saying? So yes or no?
Yeah.
We got the twins walking up, y'all.
So the first question we're gonna ask y'all is, why did
What you looking down? What you looking down for? Look up.
It's homework. Come on, for me, y'all. Why y'all choosing?
Okay,
First question.
Why we choose y'all?
Yeah, why?
Why not? That's the real question. Why not? Yeah, why not?
So why?
It ain't about none of that. You heard we like what we see, so.
Y'all some inside niggas or outside? Where y'all live?
Y'all outside?
Y'all like a homebody or?
Oh no, I'll be outside. I'll be outside. What you like? Cause I'll be outside. I like them both. I ain't gonna care. I like inside bodies, outside bodies.
You know, I can throw it on, you know?
You can throw it on. You can throw it on me. You can throw it on me. Yeah, let's see. Come on.
We said, let's see. Which one you want me to throw it on?
Right here, right in the middle, right in the middle.
Do your big one. Yeah. Stop playing with us. You know what the fuck.
Oh, I ain't playing with it.
Hold on. Yes or no, females? Ladies, yes or no?
Both y'all want to.
Next up. Well, y'all having fun?
We having fun.
So if y'all could write like a warning label on yourself, what would it be?
A warning label. If we had a warning label on ourselves, it'll be cautious. We do damage. Yeah. That'll be the caution label. Okay. You don't think so? I mean, you ain't said nothing wrong with it, man.
Beauty or brains?
I like me a smart woman. Beauty just a plus. I like me a smart woman though. What about you? You keep that one. That was your question. It was our question. We come as one, my guy. I like both. You like both? All right. So you want us to know? Is it a yes or no?
Hell yeah.
You straight.
What y'all like doing outside? What?
Bro, she walking up like she about to beat our ass, boy.
What y'all like doing outside? What y'all do outside of modeling?
We daddies. We fathers, and that's about it for real. Take care of the kids.
I'm supposed to ask them one question?
No, you supposed to say, based off our answer, is a yes or no.
Oh, is it a yes or no?
Yeah, is you staying or is you?
I'm staying.
You staying?
Yeah.
All right. What's up?
So
So I just got one question. So like, do y'all share everything?
Majority of the time. But maybe what you thinking is yes, that we share a lot of things.
Okay.
You say
yes or no?
yes or no?
You staying? You staying? Oh, you like what you heard? I'm gonna send y'all some questions, okay?
Alright.
But y'all could ask whatever y'all wanna ask too.
I need me a shot. Give me a shot. Take the top off. Take the top off. Keep on the cool. Go get him a shot. Come on. No, they don't need that. We're gonna ask you, are you a spiritual person?
Yes.
You can't tell you, you can say the necklace.
Say more.
You can say more.
Yeah, you can
keep
say
more.
I'm spiritual.
We can tell from the necklace already though.
Crystals.
Yeah. We're gonna keep you.
Okay.
Y'all could ask more than one questions, okay?
I got you. More than one? Alright, say less.
Next.
Alright. If you was drunk, who's the first person you calling?
My man.
You got no. We speaking right now. Who like right now? You got a man right now?
No.
Damn. Who you calling?
I ain't gonna. I'm calling one of my cousins.
You'll call one of your cousins, and what they gonna do?
Nothing.
Pick you up and just take you home?
No, I'm already in my room.
All right, let me grab one more for you. Do you go through phones?
No.
We gonna keep her. She lying. I feel like she lying. She lying.
Next.
What's up?
Hey.
What's one thing that nobody knows about you?
I was an exotic dancer for 10 days.
10 days? Damn. Don't nobody know that? Don't nobody know that?
Huh?
Don't nobody know that?
I mean, no.
I mean, everybody they fin to now. They fin to now. Let me see. I got one more for you. Ask the question. What's your favorite position? Say the right answer, baby. Say the right answer.
Say the right answer. You know how to work
No, man, say the right answer. If it ain't no position that include us too, you gotta say two. You gotta say two. But you gotta say two positions because it's me and you. She gotta say two positions. No, she don't. She can just say positions.
I mean, of course, it's one of the certain one of the best.
Exactly. We keeping you. Let's go. We keeping you. Let me like this shit. Look at it. We already know we're finna ask. All right. Shut up. Don't worry about it. Shut up. Calm down. Let's ask questions. Let's go.
What's up? What's tea?
Do y'all like threesomes? Foursomes in this case.
You know me.
Let me see. Let us see.
What y'all like?
We like what y'all like. Come on. Y'all keep it up. We get the fuck.
What the hell is going on?
We teeing you up. We teeing your channel up. We teeing it up.
Next.
Okay. Number one. Rate your pussy 1 through 10. It's a 10. Man, everybody gonna say that make it a 10. We'll make it a 10.
I can make it tight. It stay wet. What else?
We gonna keep it.
All right. Did everybody go?
Did we keep everybody? I think we kept everybody.
Damn, bro. I said cut it down.
All right, we're finna do it now. We're gonna do it now. This the last one.
So, bro, y'all got too much girls. Like, you feel me? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 because
Six.
Yeah.
7, 6. So, cut it down to 3, my boy. 3.
I'm giving you the mic on this. I'm holding
Y'all
the whole.
could ask them like one question, or ask a question based on the answers. Like ask one question based on the answers. It's up to y'all. Go ahead. Anything I want to ask?
Go ahead. I don't know. I've been doing this thing the whole. And
Pull your phone out. Y'all got notes, right? Pull it out.
Come on, man. Anything.
No, you can ask a question or you can just say yes or no.
It's up to you.
This is gonna be. I don't want to get rid of none of them. I ain't gonna lie to you. But you got to. I mean, I already talked to him. It's up to him.
He said 3.
You gotta keep 3.
Yeah.
I already know.
What's the 3?
No, but
No. Tell me the 3.
No.
And I'm rocking with you.
No. Because just do what you do.
I don't know. I just said I want to keep them on.
No, you can't keep them on. So do we gotta say yes or no? Or can we just pick the 3? Or do we gotta say yes or no?
Alright, what y'all want? Do y'all want to pick the winner right now?
Yeah, pick 3 right now.
Oh, y'all want to go in with 3 of them?
You said 3, right?
I'm asking you that.
I mean, it's whatever with me. He the nice one. I'm not. I don't give a fuck. I want 3. I want 3
right now.
Okay, eliminate 3 right now.
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta get the mic. Okay. No, I don't need the mic. I'm finna just point. So you gonna rock with whatever I say?
I'm rocking with you.
Okay. Well, 3. How many years? It's 6.
That's 1.
And this not no disrespectful shit, but I'm just saying. No. You too nice. I ain't gonna cap to you. I'm a mean ass nigga, and we together something.
Oh no. Oh, okay.
And fuck. Okay, now it's getting harder, son. Now it's getting harder.
Oh, y'all let the wrong twin pick something.
No, y'all ain't let him let the wrong twin. I told exactly. I'm telling him. I keep telling him. Like,
So let's
here, your turn. Here, I did too. So here, I did too. So here, I did too. So here, your turn.
You ain't gotta go in order either. Hold on, let me scoot back to
give a great view.
Nah, you cheesy. I fuck with it, but I don't think we got the smart left. It's yes or no, Jeremy.
You got 3 now. So now we finna speed date these 3. You feel me? But because it's 2 of y'all, who do you want to speed date and who do you want to speed date? Or do you want to speed them together?
All together.
Alright, bet. So it's 3 of y'all. So 1 minute each. We're gonna start with.
It's 4 actually, but they come as a team.
Do y'all want to go first?
Let's go first. Yeah.
Alright. So your 1 minute starts now.
What I gotta do? It's a speed date.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So if we was to go out with you, what would you want? How would you want to end the night with me and him?
As far as the ending the night, I most definitely like a physical person, so most definitely like massages, some food, some smoke, and a whole lot of,
You'll be able to massage. You'll be able to say a lot of what? Say it.
We gonna be fucking for sure.
We or just
Yeah. Do you know what?
Huh?
Do you know what?
I'm asking questions. He asking this question that needs to be answered. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
We twins, so I'm just saying we package, baby. That's what I'm asking you. Is it we or is it just one?
Yeah. No, it's
we. It's cool. Okay.
Fucks with it. Fucks with it.
That's all. That's what we need. Yeah. I swear.
Alright, time. Your 1 minute starts right now.
Okay. Y'all supposed to ask me the question.
It's a speed date. We could talk.
Okay,
We gotta ask whatever.
Where do y'all like to eat at?
We some simple niggas. We like
Applebee's.
We like, you know what I'm saying? I said Applebee's. He's talking about pussy. I'm a simple nigga. I like Applebee's. I like Waffle House. What you like? Whatever you want to eat. That too. I the same thing you just said. What's your favorite restaurant to eat at?
I'll eat at all of them.
You at any place you ain't one of them sadidi motherfuckers say, oh, you gotta take me to Ruth Chris or...
Ruth Chris cool too. It's not really all.
I ain't never been there. That's how you know I'm a simple nigga. I don't go to Ruth Chris. So it's up to you. Yes or no, Slime? It's up to you. I fucks with it.
Okay. Time.
This doing trouble.
Hold on.
Okay, hold on. Let us play it first, then you start talking shit.
Y'all 1 minute starts right now.
Right now. Oh, we waiting on.
They know what's up.
Like, I don't know nothing.
Say something. I don't know nothing.
I don't like talking.
You gotta show me.
It's a fast day, so I mean speed day.
Fuck that. We already speed through. Fuck you talking about? High speed through.
What you mean? Yeah, we speed. Yeah, what y'all got to say?
What y'all trying to do?
What y'all trying to do?
We're going to get right to the point.
Right to it. Get right to it. What's up? Get right to it. What's up?
Hey, if you know, you know.
Get to it. What's up? What you trying to do?
They about that action.
I'm outside. Oh, yeah,
We in that bet.
We say,
We is for sure.
Hey,
Hey.
2007, we can pop it like it, drop it. What you want? Yeah. So what's up? What's tea? You outside too?
Now you want to do.
That's it.
That's it.
Y'all
Y'all know what was going on. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Stop playing. You know what the fuck is going on.
Yo. Thank y'all for watching the video, y'all feel me? Alright. Thank y'all for tuning in. For like, comment, subscribe. We out of here.
You never felt by nigga. All my steppers riding with weapons. Think about the days we miss. I just want you to see everything across the board. That's A to Z. I just wanna make you feel like you never felt by nigga.